Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learning English is Easy. Today, we have something very special for you.
Yes, 10 simple English conversations for beginners.
If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel
Like this video if you enjoy learning English.
and share it with your friends who want to learn English too.
Let's start.
Conversation 1. At the cafe.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Tom. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. I like this cafe.
Yes, it's nice. Do you want a coffee?
Yes, please. I want a coffee with milk.
I want a tea.
The coffee here is very good.
Yes, and the tea is good too.
How much is a coffee?
It is 2 euros.
That's cheap.
Yes, very cheap.
I like cheap coffee.
Me too.
Do you come here often?
Yes, I come here every morning.
Every morning?
Yes, I like to start my day here.
That's nice.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you, Tom.
You're welcome.
Conversation 2. Saying hello.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Tom. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
How is your day?
My day is good. How about you?
My day is fine. I am a little tired.
Oh, why are you tired?
I work a lot.
I understand. Work can be tiring.
Yes, but I like my job.
That's good.
Do you work today?
Yes, I work in the afternoon.
Good luck.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Conversation 3. At the supermarket.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Tom. Are you shopping?
Yes, I am. I need food.
Me too. I need bread and milk.
I need apples and bananas.
The apples look good today.
Yes, they are red and big.
How many apples do you want?
I want 4 apples.
I want 2 apples.
Do you like bananas?
Yes, I like bananas very much.
Me too.
Is the supermarket busy today?
A little busy, but it's okay.
I like shopping here.
Me too. It's easy.
Let's go to the cashier.
Yes, let's go.
Conversation 4. Talking about the weather.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Tom. It's a nice day.
Yes, the weather is good today.
The sun is shining.
And the sky is blue.
I like sunny days.
Me too. I don't like rain.
Rain is not fun.
Is it cold today?
No, it's warm.
That's perfect.
Yes, perfect weather.
Do you like summer?
Yes, I love summer.
Me too.
Summer is happy.
Yes, very happy.
Conversation 5. At work.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Tom. Are you busy?
Yes, a little.
What do you do today?
I work on my computer.
I write emails today.
Do you like your work?
Yes, I like it.
That's good.
Do you work with many people?
Yes, I work with a small team.
Are they nice?
Yes, they are very nice.
That's important.
Yes, very important.
Let's have a break later.
Good idea.
Conversation 6. Asking for directions.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Tom. Can I ask you something?
Yes, of course.
Where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is over there.
Over there?
Yes, next to the bank.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is it far?
No, it's near.
That's good.
Are you going home?
Yes, I am.
Have a good trip.
Thank you, Tom. Conversation 8. Talking about food.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Tom. Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Me too.
What food do you like?
I like pizza and pasta.
I like pizza too.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
We like the same food.
Yes, that's funny.
Do you like vegetables?
Yes, but not all vegetables.
I understand.
Let's eat pizza later.
Great idea. Conversation 8. At home.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Tom. Welcome to my home.
Thank you. Your home is nice.
Thank you very much.
Is this your living room?
Yes, it is.
I like your sofa.
Thanks. It's very comfortable.
Do you live here alone?
Yes, I live alone.
I see.
Do you want some water?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you, Anna.
Conversation 9. Talking about hobbies.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Tom. What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
That's nice.
What about you?
I like music.
Do you play an instrument?
No, I just listen to music.
That's good too.
What do you read?
I read simple books in English.
That's a good idea.
Yes, it helps me learn.
I want to read more too.
Let's read together one day.
Yes, let's do that. Conversation 10. Saying goodbye.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Tom.
It's late now.
Yes, it is.
I need to go home.
Me too.
It was nice to talk to you.
Yes, very nice.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Have a good night.
Good night, Tom. That's the end of our 10 simple English conversations.
Great job for listening until the end.
If you liked this video, please like it.
Subscribe to the channel to learn more English.
And share this video with your friends.
Thank you for learning with us.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.